If you can't visit Spain now, then bring Spain to you. These festive grilled pepper rolls are very easy to make and you don't need much. So, what do you need? A bell pepper, arugula, ricotta cheese, pesto, and some walnuts. You're also gonna need some wooden skewers, by the way. In the description box you can find the exact measures for this recipe. First, preheat the oven to 230 degrees Celsius. Then, cut the bell peppers in smaller pieces and remove the seeds. Divide the pieces of bell pepper on a tray with baking paper. Bake the bell peppers for around 30 minutes and then take them out carefully. Take a container with a lid or something else that you can close off, in which you can put the bell peppers. And as you can see, it's actually very hard to take them off. Once you succeeded to take them all off, you can close the container with the lid and leave it for 20 minutes. After the 20 minutes, peel off the skin from each bell pepper piece. Since we will only use the remaining grilled pepper, you can throw away the skin. Then, take a peeled pepper and spread some pesto and mashed ricotta cheese over it. After this, garnish it with some chopped walnuts and some arugula and roll up the filled pepper. Take a wooden skewer and push it into the rolled pepper. And then you got yourself some delicious grilled pepper rolls for your tapas at home. And as we say in Spain,
Que aproveches.
Enjoy your meal. But are you not the greatest cook and do you want to taste the real Spain? Then you should join our tapas bike tour through Seville when you're able to visit again. Click on the link in the description box for more information. We just can't wait to taste all those delicious Spanish flavors with you.